Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, the legendary leaders of Berkshire Hathaway, have become icons in the world of investing, not just for their remarkable track records, but for their unique approach to business, life, and decision-making. Over the course of more than 3 decades, their annual shareholder meetings have served as an unparalleled masterclass where they answer questions with candor, wit, and deep insight. Buffett and Munger Unscripted distills the wisdom from these meetings, offering readers a rare window into the minds of 2 of the greatest investors of all time. At the heart of Buffett and Munger's philosophy is the concept of value investing. They believe that investing is not about chasing the latest trends or trying to time the market, but about buying quality businesses at fair prices and holding them for the long term. Their mantra, "It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price," captures this philosophy succinctly. They emphasize the importance of understanding the intrinsic value of a business, focusing on fundamentals like earnings power, competitive advantages, and management quality. One of the recurring themes in their discussions is the importance of temperament over intellect. Buffett and Munger often remind their audience that successful investing requires patience, discipline, and the ability to remain rational when others are driven by fear or greed. They advise avoiding emotional decisions and sticking to a clear, well-defined investment process. In their view, the stock market is there to serve you, not to instruct you. The ability to ignore market noise and focus on long-term value is, in their eyes, a superpower. Another key lesson from the Berkshire meetings is the value of lifelong learning. Both Buffett and Munger are voracious readers, constantly seeking to expand their knowledge across a wide range of subjects. Munger, in particular, champions the idea of a latticework of mental models, drawing from disciplines like psychology, economics, and history to better understand the world. They encourage investors and business people alike to cultivate curiosity and humility, always being willing to admit when they're wrong and to learn from their mistakes. Ethics and integrity are central to the Berkshire Hathaway way. Buffett and Munger stress the importance of partnering with people you trust and admire, and of maintaining a reputation for honesty and fair dealing. They believe that reputation is built slowly, but can be destroyed in an instant, and that it's essential to always act in a way that you would be comfortable seeing reported on the front page of a newspaper. The duo's approach to risk is also instructive. They are famously averse to unnecessary risk, preferring to invest only in businesses they understand, what they call their circle of competence. They avoid leverage and speculative ventures, instead seeking out companies with durable competitive advantages, strong cash flows, and prudent management. They often discuss the importance of margin of safety, buying with a cushion to protect against unforeseen events. Buffett and Munger's views on management are equally insightful. They look for leaders who are not only capable, but also ethical, transparent, and aligned with shareholders. They value decentralized management, giving autonomy to subsidiary managers while holding them accountable for results. This trust-based approach has allowed Berkshire Hathaway to grow into a conglomerate of diverse businesses, each run by talented individuals who share the company's values. The annual meetings also reveal Buffett and Munger's humility and sense of humor. They are quick to admit their mistakes and frequently use self-deprecating anecdotes to illustrate lessons learned. They caution against overconfidence and remind investors that even the best make errors. Their willingness to share both successes and failures creates a culture of openness and continuous improvement. Beyond investing, Buffett and Munger offer wisdom on life and decision-making. They argue that the best way to get ahead is to work with people you respect, to be trustworthy, and to avoid shortcuts. They advocate for simplicity, both in investing and in life, suggesting that the most effective solutions are often the simplest ones. They also speak about the importance of finding work that you enjoy and of maintaining a sense of perspective. Philanthropy and social responsibility are increasingly important themes in the later years of the meetings. Buffett, in particular, has pledged the vast majority of his wealth to charitable causes, and both men discuss the responsibilities that come with success. They encourage others to give back and to consider the broader impact of their actions on society. Throughout the decades, the Berkshire Hathaway meetings have become more than just an investor gathering. They are a celebration of rationality, integrity, and lifelong learning. Attendees come not just for investment advice, but for a philosophy of life that emphasizes patience, humility, and the pursuit of excellence. The unscripted nature of the Q&A sessions allows for candid discussions on a wide range of topics, from business strategy to personal values. In summary, Buffett and Munger Unscripted captures the essence of what makes Berkshire Hathaway and its leaders so extraordinary. Their approach is grounded in common sense, yet profoundly insightful. They remind us that success is not about being the smartest person in the room, but about having the right temperament, making sound decisions, and always striving to be a little wiser each day. Their teachings go far beyond investing, offering a blueprint for building a successful, meaningful, and principled life. For anyone seeking to understand the principles that underpin enduring success in business and investing, the distilled wisdom of Buffett and Munger offers invaluable guidance. Their legacy is not just in their financial achievements, but in the clarity and generosity with which they share their knowledge, encouraging others to think independently, act ethically, and never stop learning.